Alright, so this will be another van tour video. This is Toyota Hiace. It's got a lot more space than a lot of our other vans, and this is probably our best fit out. We did this one with a really good handyman who subsequently was too busy to help me on other van fit outs, but maybe we'll start at the back because that's, I think, the best bit. So the idea with this one is to have the ladders underneath, lots of storage, but still have a big space here so that we can fit heat pumps, ovens, all sorts of things in there. So obviously right now it's full of stuff, but the heater and the rain shooter for jobs, so it's highly functional. But if you need to take rubbish away from a job, this stuff can be pulled out and you can fit large things in. Yeah, ladders go down here, and then this is for our 5-foot storage, lamps and light fittings. And then this is my favorite bit, this shelf. We should probably put a stopper on the back so that it doesn't lean as much when we pull it out, but yeah, then you get basically all these clear tubs. You can see what's in them and fit all sorts of things, light fittings up top, bulbs, socket outlets, and it's all accessible, and then you put it away and you got all the space free. Then round the side, on the other vans we've moved to having a sliding surface here. Andrew, whose van this was before, didn't like that, and we're going the way of having clear tubs. Tool storage down there, and then yeah, there's a few tubs down there, some random storage. You always end up with awkward spaces. Oh, I think I originally made this as a sliding surface, but Andrew had this van. No, this was done before we moved the way of sliding surfaces. That's right. And then we'll look at the last side where we started. We've got a bunch of clear tubs down here. There's this and then another one further behind it. So I guess it's stuff that's not used as often. And the other side, because if you get runners for these drawers, you spend $1,000. So we just do it the way I showed you. And then you end up with it not pulling out all the way. So we just make that side accessible from here. So you can access that stuff from this side. I think that's about all.